everyone, and welcome to my studio. I'm Nicole, and today I have a little fabric haul for you. Okay, thank you so much for joining me here today in the studio. I have a little fabric haul I want to show y'all. It's only 3 fabrics. I actually got them from a Thrifty Notion, which is one of my very favorite sources for secondhand fabric. I wasn't looking for fabric in particular. I just had the thought in my head, I haven't seen any posts from a Thrifty Notion lately. I wonder what they're up to. And I went to go check out their website just to see what new stuff they had going on. I wanted to make sure they're still in business. I like when businesses that I like are still going strong. And this was, of course, famous last words because I ended up buying a bunch of stuff that I didn't necessarily need, but I can't pass up a good deal. And I will say that I am proud of myself for getting all solids. And I'm always, of course, happy to support a sustainable business and Thrifty Notion. All of their fabrics, they have a huge selection and they're all sourced secondhand. They get donations, they scour estate sales. It is a great online source for secondhand fabric. So I looked on their website. I wasn't going to buy anything. I was being very responsible. And then I took a look at their vintage patterns. And this one caught my eye. This is McCall's 8532. It is a Mrs. pattern or like a juniors, and look how cute all of these shorts are. This one in particular caught my eye. It's like a little wrap short situation, as you can see here. And I also really liked this view that's like elastic waist with a split. And I was wondering if I could maybe, and this looks like there's some kind of trim here, like maybe rickrack or something. But I was wondering if I could maybe combine the one with the pockets and the one with the slit together. Anyway, these 3 I thought were so cute. And it's very hot here. I'm more of a dress and skirt girl in the summer, but I have been leaning towards the elastic shorts situation because they're comfy, they're still cool. I don't like a tight waistband with like tight stuff all up in me, on me when it's hot. I just want everything to be very breezy. Elastic waist shorts I think are a win, and I'm probably gonna make the wrap shorts first because I think they're so cute. I don't know if I'll add trim. I was scouring my stash yesterday and I have a couple ideas for which fabric I want to use, and maybe I'll make a little video of that when it happens. I have my eye on it's like a silk crepe de chine, which I question if that's appropriate for shorts in the summer. It could be a sweaty crotch situation. However, it could also be really cute because I have this same print in the silk, the like drapey silk, and then also in a cotton. So it would be super cute to make some kind of matching set. Let's see, how many yards do we need for view E? So view E, the view I like, only requires 1 1/8 yard. So I think that really is a potential win because it's like a skirt more than shorts. I don't know. I think the silk might be fine. Anyways, that's the plans for this. Several of the options I liked were silk, which is why I'm considering this craziness. Anyway, so I saw this pattern and I had to have it. So then, of course, I was like, I can't just buy one pattern. Like, I'm getting all this stuff. I might as well buy some more stuff. I don't even know if I got free shipping, but in my head, I'm always like, make the shipping worth it, right? So I also got all of these fabrics. I will start with, and these are a mess because I put them straight into the washer. I'm trying to be really good about instantly pre-washing my fabric. This is like a faded burnt sienna denim. And it is a really, as you can see, it's a really like lightweight denim, which I liked. And I also liked that it was a non-blue denim. I thought it would be a great, obviously, pair of pants. I don't know what pattern I want to use. I have some tried and true patterns. One of my favorites that I make often is the, oh gosh, it's either the Persephone's or the Philippa pants. I always get them confused. So just look at both of them. And that is by Anna Allen. But I've also really been wanting to try a pair of the Helene jeans. I will link the pattern for the Helene jeans below. I do not remember the pattern maker at the moment. Anyway, these are probably going to be a pair of pants. And I like the neutral color. It's a different color than any other pant I have in my wardrobe, which is nice. So that is the plan for this denim. Next up, we have some yellow, which is my favorite color. This has a really interesting texture to it. It's like it was pleated and then ironed out. It's very interesting. And it goes down the length of the grain. And this is, I believe, a cotton rayon blend. And it has the look of a canvas, like a lightweight canvas or a heavier weight chambray. It is a little bit heavier than I expected it to be when I purchased it. It's definitely more of a bottom weight. You can make a dress out of it. It just feels like it would be hot as a dress or a shirt. So this will probably also be some kind of pants or even a jumpsuit of some sort. I just had that idea. It would be really cute as a jumpsuit or a pair of overalls. I think that's probably what's gonna happen here. So yeah, and these were all, everything except the denim or end of bolt cuts. So they have a section of end of bolt cuts where it's just however much is left, that's what you're buying, and they're varying prices, which is always usually a way to snag a good deal. So yellow cotton rayon situation, probably gonna be some kind of overalls. Okay, last but not least, this fabric was really interesting because it looks, you see that? Can you see that? It looks like a denim. Has this look on the back. Okay, looks like a denim, but it is a knit. It's stretchy. And it's got a good weight to it too. When I ordered it, I was like, this could be interesting or it could be weird. I'm not trying to make jeggings, okay? That's not what I have in mind for this project. But I just made a pair of knit Pietra pants by Closet Core Patterns in a French terry that I love and are great for travel and like looking cute but feeling very comfortable, and I'm very into that vibe. So I had the crazy idea. First of all, I wanted to just order this and see what it was, because I was like, denim look knit sounds interesting. So I am very pleasantly surprised with the weight and feel of this. It's not like a slinky feeling knit. It feels very structured, and I don't think it has any spandex in it. But so when I got it, I don't want to make another pair of Pietras because it's like practically the same color, and I don't want two pairs of pants that look the exact same. But I'm into the idea of a knit pair of pants that's not like an athleisure jogger or a legging. It's like a regular pair of pants, but in a knit. So it's like really comfortable, but you're also still cute. Soho 7 just made recently released pant pattern that has an elastic waist. It still has a zip fly. They look very comfy. I might go that route with this. And then I had the crazy idea of what if I just made a pair of jeans in a knit fabric. Like it fits like jeans, but it's a knit, so it's comfy. I don't know, it could be a disaster. And I don't know if I would need to size down. So I'm still simmering on this, but that's the general direction I'm going with this fabric. Also, I really need to start following up with these fabric hauls of, oh, see, I actually made something with this, and like actually make the thing. So anyway, this is a short and sweet video. 3 really cute fabrics from a Thrifty Notion. Go check them out if you're interested at all in finding some secondhand fabrics. What I love about secondhand fabric shopping is I very rarely have a very specific fabric in mind that I'm looking for. I'm usually like, I'm open. So when you shop secondhand, like you have all these surprises, and like you might go in a direction you weren't expecting to go in. And I just really appreciate them as business and everything that they're doing. This is not sponsored at all, by the way. So check them out if you are interested in shopping secondhand. They also have patterns, trims, they have upholstery, buttons, all kinds of stuff. And that is what's going on in the studio this week. Thank you so much for joining me. Be sure to like this video and subscribe if you are not subscribed already so you don't miss a single thing. And leave me a comment and let me know what your favorite fabric that I got in this little mini haul is. Happy sewing! Bye! 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 Belen. Who made that pattern? Ugh. And oh, there's a stain. No. I wonder if I can, I'll have to just cut around it. It's tiny. Anyway, Sew House 7.
Yeah.
Yes.